Aloha from Singapore. Have a good evening. Oh, sorry, I think it's dark because of this. Yes, this is still afternoon. Okay, let me just put this one first. My name is Daniel. Daniel is my name. You can just call me Daniel. So in this Christmas season, me and Acreativealt studio, we want to share the joy of Christmas through music. As you heard the first song that I did just now, right? Santa Claus is coming to town. But apparently a lot of people say that, Santa Claus is not coming this period because he is afraid of quarantine. Nevertheless, we still can be joyful, and I'll be sharing with you some Christmas songs, right? With only 4 simple chords. Get your ukulele ready because we'll be learning some simple Christmas songs. Now I want to share some simple chords that enable you to play this song. First of all is C. Third finger, 1, 2, 3. This is the third finger or the ring finger. You press the first string. This one's the first string, yeah. And this is called the fret. 1, 2, 3, right? So you press the third fret on the first string with your third finger, and then you strum everything here. You can just strum with your thumb or index. Yeah, basically this one is more mellow because it's the flat side here, whereas here is brighter because this is where the fingernails is. Yeah, and this is F chord. Yeah, how to move from C to F? It's basically like this. C is here, right? And this one, just get ready, even though you are not pressing yet, just float here and then do like this. Again, I repeat, this is C, this is F. Yeah, and then another one is going to be G7. G7 is like this. Imagine you are pressing F this way, then your index stays there, and this one going down, this one add on this one. Yeah, this is G7. Coming back to C, this one just slide. Don't take out, just slide here, and this one you take out these two. In this case, we are going to play 4/4. Time signature 4/4 means there are 4 beats in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C again. 1, 2, 3, 4. G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Okay, and then the second verse goes the same way. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. See again, he's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Okay. Now let's go to the chorus. The chorus starts from G7. He sees you when you're sleeping. Yeah, just G7 and F. Of course, this one is the simplified version, yeah? So you can start from G7 and F. Pay attention, when you move G7 and F, you don't need to move your index. He sees you when you're sleeping, right? One more G7. And he knows when you're awake. And then this one is an additional chord. This one is called D7. From F to D7, you just add on this one. And you can take out this one. Yeah, so it's not so much movement here. From F to D7. Yeah. So, I repeat again from the chorus. Let's just put the D7 on the right place later. He sees you when you're sleeping, and he knows when you're awake. He knows here on the D7. He knows if you've been bad or good, right? From D7 to G7, you see this one is very unique. You just move every of the fingers one string down and then add on index. See, you remember the G7 here, right? He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good. D7 again, for goodness sake. That's very easy, right? And then from here, you go to the third verse, which is the same. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Why? 'Cause Santa Claus is coming to town. That's easy. Okay, let's start again from the top. Before we start, right, you have to be able to imagine the groove and the tempo. Not too fast, right? Like this. All right, and then I will count in. I will count in 1, 2, 3, 4. You better. Yeah, on the bear is when you start strumming. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. 2, 3. Okay, second verse. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Very good. We go to the chorus. He sees you when you're sleeping, and he knows when you're awake. Remember D7? He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Yeah, you can stop there. So sometimes you can just make a break here. 2, 3, 4, right? It's still 4/4, but you just play one time. Trang, yeah, you strum on the first beat. Strum, stop, stop, stop. So you sustain the sound of the strumming. So let's say, okay, let's start again from the top, yeah. This is the initiation of the tempo. You start from you bear, right? On the bear is the first beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Now get ready for the second verse. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Get ready for the chorus. He sees when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. And then F, just for the ending. Santa Claus is coming, G7, to town. Wow, I believe you are doing very good. So, by mastering these 4 chords, in fact, the D7 is additional, yeah. So at least by mastering C, F, and G7, you can play a lot of Christmas songs. For example, if I want to do Jingle Bells, you know, jingle bells, jingle all the way. F, all was fine, it is to ride. This one is the additional. In a one horse, you know, the D7, open sleigh, jingle bells, jingles all the way. F, all was fine, it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. You might want to try Rudolph, you know. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, have a da 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 da. G7, C again, you know, and the same is da 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 da. So that's all for today. I hope you learn about these 4 chords. In fact, only 3 plus 1, I could say, right? And then you can just enjoy your Christmas mood. You can just play for your family, for yourself, in any gathering or any party, all about Christmas song. If you want to learn more about ukulele and guitar, you can contact me. For guitar and bass content, you can check this channel. And for ukulele, you can check this channel. Mahalo for watching. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you so much, Acreativealt, for having me. And Mele Kalikimaka. Ready, ya?
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town.
This is when you are sleeping and knows when you are awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming, yeah. Santa Claus is coming, Santa Claus is not coming. This year,
This time.
this time.
This time we sustain the note.
Yeah, coming. This